In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a part of a video in CapCut. So as you can see, I have this video right here. Now we just have to tap on the video in our timeline and then simply duplicate this video. Now select the second one and at the bottom we have overlay. So simply tap on overlay and then simply move this below the main video. So as you can see, we have this one and this one. So select this one and then we just have to scroll and go to effects, video effects, and then here you can simply choose blur. So we're gonna have to type in blur and then we can choose whatever we want from here. So I'm going to choose this one here. So let me go and pick this one. Now what we're gonna have to do next, so after we add the blur, we just have to select the video again. So let me go back here and then swipe until we see mask at the bottom. Now from here we just have to select circle or rectangle, it doesn't matter. And as you can see, this part of the video is blurred. So we can increase this, we can add a feather effect if you want. So basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.